The mug automatically detects if there is liquid in the cup. If the mug does not detect any liquid, it will not heat. Make sure there is at least 3 ounces of liquid in the mug for the device to properly begin heating. Make sure the mug is on the charging base. To activate hot mode, tap Hot on the charging base. To activate warm mode, tap Warm on the charging base. Tap the Nuwave logo to toggle to the target temperature on the display. Then, tap the up or down arrow to adjust the target temperature. There are many different variables that alter the temperature display. Coffee grounds or tea leaves in the filter can sometimes have an effect on getting an accurate reading of the temperature at first, but this should be of no concern, as the mug will eventually display the correct reading. When refilling the mug, the liquid may be hotter or colder than the target temperature. If it is colder, the mug needs time to heat the liquid in order to reach the target temperature. When it is hotter, the mug needs time for the liquid to cool down. In order for the battery in the mug to charge, the mug must be placed on the charging base. The mug cannot be plugged in directly. The charging base needs to be plugged into an outlet with the included USB-C cable and the power plug. Other USB-C cables or adapters outside of the package may not provide enough power to meet the required specifications for the charging base. Sometimes static can affect the bottom of the mug or charging base. You can use a dry paper towel to remove it. When the mug is out of battery, place it on the charging base and the mug will automatically begin to charge. To get from a dead battery to a full charge will usually take around 2 hours. These power sources typically provide 5 or 9 volt power output. The charging base requires a stable power source of at least 12 volts in order to charge the mug. If necessary, use a Type-C outlet rated at 10.5 volts or a Type-C charger plugged into the cigarette lighter port of 12 or 24 volts. However, brewing inside your car while driving is not recommended. The sensor inside the mug can take some time to identify if there is liquid in the cup. Make sure there's at least 3 ounces of liquid in the mug. If there is liquid in the mug and the message still appears, here is the recommended method to troubleshoot. Turn off the mug and let it cool. Thoroughly clean the inside of the mug. Add at least 5 ounces of liquid and turn the mug on again. If the issue continues, please contact Nuwave customer service. The display on the mug is a touchscreen design, which is sensitive to detect any hand or finger placement near the Nuwave logo. To prevent accidentally changing the temperature during use, we suggest you either use the handle, avoid touching the Nuwave logo, or utilize the lock feature, which you can activate by pressing and holding the Nuwave logo and the up arrow at the same time until Lock shows on the display. Please contact Nuwave customer service for assistance with any of these error messages.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.